Heart's Whisper reading Gitanjali by Rabindranath Tagore, recorded on May 13, 2020. Section 21 of Gitanjali. I must launch out my boat. The languid hours pass by on the shore. Alas for me! The spring has done its flowering and taken leave. And now, with the burden of faded futile flowers, I wait and linger. The waves have become clamorous, and up on the bank in the shady lane the yellow leaves flutter and fall. What emptiness do you gaze upon? Do you not feel a thrill passing through the air with the notes of the far-away song floating from the other shore? End of Section 21 of Gitanjali by Rabindranath Tagore.